what her problem is with me. Well, right before we were leaving, I saw her shoot the meanest glance at me. Oh my God!
This doorbell camera looks straight out of home backyard, and what happens next only makes it creepier. A half-bald woman approaches, scratching at her neck, pacing like something out of a horror film. A man approaches the hotel door holding a knife, and in seconds, he swings straight at the doorbell camera. But he doesn't stop there. In the backyard of a quiet Florida home, something unusual was spotted. A creature was seen moving across the yard, but no one could quite identify what it was. What do you think it could be? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This doorbell video shows a woman begging for help at a stranger's house before being kidnapped by a mysterious unknown person.
Please help me! Please help me!
Let me know in the comments, what would you do in this situation? Would you open the door and let her in? An old lady holding a knife seen on a doorbell cam in the middle of the night. She holds the knife in her hands for straight 1 minute and doesn't move. What do you think was her intention? I think she is waiting for someone to go outside, or maybe just a woman with dementia and has her own problems. Weird. This creepy guy with a black-covered face is caught on Ring camera standing outside woman's apartment every night for nearly a month.
This is what a Ring camera captured.
In the most of the clips, this man only stands still in front of the woman's apartment and doesn't he move, possibly waiting for her to come outside. Share your thoughts in the comments. What was his intentions in this situation? In this video, a triangular-shaped flying object caught on doorbell camera in England. What could it be? A UFO? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Doorbell camera caught someone approaching the front door and talking to himself in different voices.
Yeah. Yeah. A dog attacked me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. No, come here.
Come here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello? Oh, no. Oh.
Do you think he is possessed by a demon? He was acting weird. The voice gave me chills. This footage shows the reason why you always should lock your door after entering your house. A creepy-looking man was following them home and tries to go inside. He stands in front of the door till the end of the video. I probably think she called the police after. I would do the same. This man who was observed on a family's Ring camera licking a doorbell for 3 hours. Like and comment if you liked this video. Share your thoughts and critics, because this is my first video posted. Thank you for watching.